So in this video I'll be talking about rotations. If we take the normal recycling sign, for example, we see that there's 3 arrows, and basically the first arrow goes under rotation. So the 2 other arrows are under rotation from the first arrow. So what is a rotation? It's an image of a plane figure when it is rotated about a point. So what we have to remember with rotations is that each point on the figure rotates the same angle about the center point. So we can see these 4 cars here now. We can see that one is rotated 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. So if we want to rotate this car 90 degrees, each point must rotate 90 degrees about the point. And if we see here with the back wheel, we see that it is rotated about the point 90 degrees. So every point in that car will rotate 90 degrees from about the center point to create the figure. If we take the 180 degrees, we see that the front wheel rotates 180 degrees about the point. So when it's rotated 180 degrees, each point rotates 180 degrees about the center point. Likewise, with the 270 degrees, the front mirror rotates 270 degrees about the center point. So every point on the car must move the same angle about the center point. So if you look at the construction, we see that the question tells us to rotate this triangle 90 degrees about the point P. So as we saw from the other slide, every point on a figure must rotate about the point the same angle. So we have 3 points in the triangle. So first things first, we're going to connect all these points to point P. Once we have this done, we can get our protractor and mark off 90 degrees from each line, and we are left with 3 more lines rotated about the point P, 90 degrees. Now we get our compass and mark off the lengths on each line. So these marks now on the lines represent the 3 points on the original triangle. So what we have left to do now is join these points, and what we have left is the original triangle rotated about the point 90 degrees.